Hello everyone, welcome to another video from Homz N Space. Today we are at Shriram, the Codename One, which is near Electronic City. As you enter the apartment, you step into a foyer area where you can welcome your guest, and this is a spacious living space which is around 10.5 feet by 18 feet, followed by a spacious dining space. This kitchen comes with a modern design, ample space and storage. This attached utility area you can utilize for a laundry or additional storage. This is a massive master bedroom, well ventilated, which is around 14 feet by 11 feet, which comes with an additional balcony, your walk-in closet and attached washroom. This is your third bedroom, which is around 12 by 11 feet, perfect for kids or guests. This is your second bedroom, which is around 12 feet by 11.5 feet, which comes along with the attached washroom. This is your spacious balcony area, which is attached to your living space, where you can spend your quality time with your family and friends. Experience South Bangalore's largest sky deck, offering unmatched views. Enjoy privileged access to a serene crystal pond, the one-of-a-kind concept where every apartment gets its own tree, the one tree per home. Breathe into freshness every day with vertical gardens and a cosmetic sky deck above it all. 50 plus world-class amenities including a open sky theater, a grand clubhouse with rooftop swimming pool, rooftop cafe, tennis, pickleball, kids play area and more. Located on the upcoming NH844 highway, the Bangalore-Chennai Expressway, and just 5 minutes from the STRR, just 20 minutes from the project. Here we have Electronic City, where you will be having a big corporate such as Tech Mahindra, TVS, HP, Wipro and Infosys. In just 10 to 15 minutes, we have healthcare facilities from reputed hospitals such as Narayana Rudralaya Hospital, Sparsh Hospital and Sai Satya Hospitals. Near to our project, we also have reputed schools and colleges such as Dot International School, Mega International School and Oxford College. This premium project from Shriram is spread across 4 acres of land parcel, 350 apartments consisting of 2 BHKs and 3 BHKs, 80% of massive open space, and here 2 BHK starts from 93 lakhs and 3 BHK 2 toilets starts from 1.16 CR and 3 BHK starts from 1.4 CR onwards.
For more details, kindly reach out to given below number or www.homzanspace.com.
For more residential real estate videos, please subscribe to Homz N Space channel. Thank you.